Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learn about listed. A collection of multiple items. A different item is a list. List have three types: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. I hope you understand it very well in previous lecture. If you have any issue, please see the video again and comment me in the comment section. Today we will learn about Today we will learn about display value on web page, that is bloat and inline. In bloat we will study div tag or section tag, we can say it, and inline we will study about span tag. There are two displays values on a web page. Number one is bloat and number two is inline. A bloat level element always start on a new line and it takes up the full width available. An inline element does not start on a new line and it only takes up as much width as necessary. The div element is a block level and is often used as a container for other element. The span element is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text. So first of all, we will start with div element, right? So we will open our editor. I will make a new file, HTML. I will say the title of a web page is div and span tag, right? I will save the file. So I will start with a practical example of div. In div, we can add multiple tags to make a big block. So div start with div and with /div, right? In div, we will set the heading. Then we will have the paragraph in a div. Then in a div, we will have the list tag ul. Ul we have list item. PHP, Java, and C++, right? I will save the file and open in a web page, right? You can see it in a div. In a div, we have a heading. Then we have a paragraph. Then we have the list tag, right? The div element has no required attribute, but style class ID are commonly used in a div. We use together with the CSS. The div element can be used to style blocks of content. So we will give the styling to the div. Then it will now we will give the style to the div. Then it will be look very nice, right? In a div we will give style, background color, black, sorry, color will be white, right? You can see it how it will look like. I will refresh the page. You can see it, the div background color is black and the text color in the div is white. Now I will tell you about the span is an inline container. It is used to wrap small portion of a text. Also, inline element does not start on a new line. It will only take up as much width it need. Now I will show it practically, right? Tell you about the span tag, right? I will set the heading, span tag. I will type some text in the paragraph. Now I will save it and refresh the page. You can see it. Heading span tag. Rizwan is Agile Mentor and he did master degree from PUCIT. Now I will set the span on Agile Mentor, right? In a paragraph, right? I will give the styling to the Agile Mentor, right? I will save. I give the style background color red to Agile Mentor in a span, right? You can see it. Span is not start from a new line. It take the space as much the span needed, right? If I will replace a span to div, then it will start a new line, right? You can see it, right? I will show you how to use it, right? I will no, I will give the heading, replace span with div to show the difference, right? I will refresh the page. You can see it. Third one, replace span with div to show the difference. I change span to div, then it will start a new line, right? I hope you understand it very well. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.